Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ako si Madam P at ito yung reading natin for collectives. Collective to, wala tayong specific. So, that sign, ang importante yung pinaka-reading. Kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi, huwag mong pilitin. May mga next reading pa naman tayo. Let's start what we have here for collectives. For collectives, please. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. For collectives. Don't forget na mag-subscribe dun sa iba naming channel ha. Yung mga bago, Earth Sign Philippines, Air Sign Philippines, Fire Sign Philippines, Water Sign Philippines. Please do check it out. 3 of Clover, 5 of Clover. Nakakita tayo dito ng pag-aaway. Yung iba, kung hindi pa nangyayari, mangyayari pa lang. And I can see ending here. Lalo na yung mga in a relationship, may connection sa inyo. O hindi man ka-relasyon, it could be a connection na may something. It could be pag-aaway regarding money, whatsoever. And hindi siya nakikita nating mag-o-okay. There's love here, pero it's not enough. Kumbaga, kasi nandun yung bibitaw at bibitaw ka pa rin talaga kahit gaano mo kamahal yung isang tao. Dahil sa problema or sa pag-aaway na ito. Who is this person that you're dealing with for collectives, please? Person nakakonect mo for collectives, please. You do have here the Four of Hearts and the King of Diamonds. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Diamonds. Okay, meron tayong angel number 444. Ayan. This is actually a new person. Siya yung magbibigay sa'yo ng stability. Kaya lang hindi siya kasi makagawa ng movement for now. Pero nakikita natin, ito yung new person for you. Okay. Ayan. And, itong person na to is someone na gusto niya magbuo ng new beginning sa'yo. Kaya lang ngayon nga, wala pa siyang magawa regarding dito. Ano yung emotion niyo sa isa't isa? For collectives, please. Emotion niyo sa isa't isa. Ace of Hearts. The Ace of Spade. And kanina pa tayo may mga partner cards, guys. Yung 10, tapos yung 4. Kanina lumabas na naman siya by partner din. Ano? Actually, 3 yung nagpakita. Pero doon sa bottom of the deck, 2. Tapos ngayon, may Ace of Spade tayo nakikita dito. And Ace of Hearts. And you do have here the 8 of Hearts. Nakikita natin, emotion mo for now, mas okay ka sa new beginning. Actually, yung iba sa inyo, this is not emotion na nakuha natin. But rather, ano yung mas okay para sa'yo? Ganito kasi yun. Sa buhay talaga, kailangan nating i-balance yan. Utak at puso ang dapat gamitin. And the way I see this, ang advice sa'yo is, hindi ka pwedeng, mahal mo lang yung isang tao, kailangan gamitin mo rin yung utak mo. Ito bang taong to, with the 8 of Hearts, may future ba ako dito? Kasi kung wala, kung ito ay parang wala kaming mabubuo, hindi kami nag-grow, walang goal, etc. Maybe it's time for you to think of the future na kung paano mo babaguhin yung future kung hindi okay yung present mo. If you're satisfied sa present moment mo na okay ka na dyan, sa present moment mo, then maybe it's time for you na ayusin ang connection mo with your present person. Ito ang tinutukoy ko dito is yung person na kakonect mo na ngayon, karelasyon mo na. If you have a person na nag-aaway lang kayo because of money, pero wala namang kakwenta-kwenta kasi okay naman, hindi naman kayo nagbabaon-baon sa utang, kumbaga nakakaipon naman kayo and then napakasimpleng bagay lang naman 'to pinag-awayan ninyo. And then maybe, okay naman pala, wag na lang palakihin yung mga issues. But if you're seeing your relationship na wala tayong napapala, bakit ganito? Laging hindi ako nag-grow, tapos laging may problema, etc. etc. Maybe hindi okay yung relationship ninyo. And you have to, um, you know, go your own separate ways. Kasi baka may maging mas magandang kapalaran sa inyo pag mas nag-focus kayo sa mga new beginnings and, you know, pwedeng may maging mas growth pag nawala kayo sa sistema ng bawat isa. Maybe ang nagbibigay ng toxicity dito is pareho kayong dalawa. So, you have to think of the present at tingnan mo kung ito ba'y may mararating sa future, yung relasyon na ito. Emotion. Actually, this new person, yung iba dumating na, yung iba paparating pa lang. Nasa sayo yan. If you will entertain this person, of course, kung umalis ka dito sa relationship na ito, you can entertain this person. Pero kung hindi, and you will choose this person, etong person na ito, nakikita natin, ayan o, you have other options. Ito na yon, yung isang option na nakikita natin. And the Seven of Clover, the Four of Spade, ayan, lumalabas na naman itong dalawang card na ito. Four of Spade and the Four of Clover, siya yung magbibigay ng stability sa iyo no? And, you know, 4 sa numerology, this is about stability. 444, talaga nagpapakita sa ano niya yan. That's your angel number. Na kung gusto mo ng stability, this person can give you that. And pag in-add mo yung dalawang 4, that's 8, no? And the 8 sa numerology, it's all about, it talks about the future, the 8 of Cups. I can see right now is the 8 of Cups, which is, ito yan, lumabas sa'yo. The 8 of Hearts is the same as the 8 of Cups. So, yun, nagpapakita yan of future, energy. And, yeah, may future ka dito sa person. Pero it's up to you nga, nasa sayo yan. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Ayan, the 5 of Hearts. Yan, ito yung gusto natin makita. Why? Kasi number 5 sa numerology, it talks about change. And then Ace of Clover, it's a new beginning. Pero of course, nasa sayo yung change if you will accept the change. If you will accept the change. Kasi yung future, ikaw may hawak niyan. Ako nandito lang as a guide. If you feel like hindi na okay ang present mo, gusto mong mabago ang future mo, ngayon pa lang, gawin mo na yung mga changes na yun. And you do have here the 5 of Spade and the 7 of Hearts, 3 of Spade, 9 of Spade at the bottom of the deck. So, nakikita natin, sometimes you have to, alam mo yan, kalabanin yung sarili mo. Kasi minsan yung sarili mo, akala ginagawa mo, yung feeling mo, ito yung gusto mong gawin, pero hindi naman yun yung dapat gawin at hindi yun yung tamang gawin dahil hindi yun yung mas makakabuti para sa'yo. Yeah. And, you know, the 5 is here, 5, ayan. Ito yung mas better match mo And when you add the 2 number, yung 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, that is an ending. So, sometimes you need to let this ending na mangyari para ma-accept mo yung new beginning para sa'yo. Okay? And unti-unti, mababago ang buhay mo with the 7 of Hearts. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And by the way, masakit siya. The 3 of Spade. Masakit siya. 9 of Spade is here. Pero itong decision na to, with the 2 of Spade, the 3 of Hearts, magbibigay ng peacefulness at the end sa'yo. At magiging mas maganda, may growth dyan para sa'yo. All you have to do is i-accept yung change at yung ending sa buhay mo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.